Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to show pop-up when users select direct bank transfer payment gateway in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. So scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snipper. Then you see add snipper. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. By using this code, we are going to display pop-up when person select direct bank transfer payment method in checkout page. Now in code you see custom text, so you can add text according to your requirement. Now you see you can add your text in pop-up when person select direct bank transfer payment method. Also you see button OK or close, so you can add text according to your requirement. So this code only works for direct bank transfer payment gateway because we are using payment gateway ID. Now you see BSES. Also scroll down, you see BSES. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snipper. Now snipper created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see review and payment tab, so click on it. So this is all our product. And now scroll down. Now you see direct bank transfer, now select. And then you see pop-up, OK and close. Select another payment method. Now select again direct bank transfer. Again you see pop-up, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.